Welcome all OET aspirants to our new video. We are speaking aiders. Thank you for all the support, we do appreciate that. Please continue to watch, support and subscribe our channel. Kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates and videos. Please share with your friends. Our aim is to make speaking tasks more friendly and simplify them with providing lots of ideas, and you can develop them into beautiful structures. Today, we're going to explain in detail about OET speaking, mosquito bite.
Before we start the role play, let's have a look at the speaking card. Setting is home visit and you are a community health nurse. You are visiting houses to provide awareness on how to control mosquito growth. Normally, a home visit we see as a known case. For example, a nurse coming to provide health education or a nurse coming to inspect or monitor the patient's medication compliance or monitor the wounds. In this case, this is an awareness program. And we have 4 subtasks. The first task is introduce yourself and explain the purpose of your visit. Second, you're going to educate them how to prevent mosquito growth and how we can eradicate the outbreak of dengue and malaria. Third, we're going to explain how to avoid mosquito bite. Here you can use signposting. And in the last one, you can teach about the possible signs and symptoms of dengue and malaria. If in case any of your family members or any relatives or any friends having any symptoms, you can immediately identify and report to the community nurse or to the medical officer. At the end of the role play, if they do have more doubts or they need more clarity regarding the discussion, you can provide a leaflet or a booklet regarding how we can prevent the mosquito growth. Hope this explanation was useful, and let's start the video.
Good morning, my name is Susan, and I am one of the community health nurses working in this locality.
Hello, Susan.
Purpose of my visit is to spread awareness on how to prevent mosquito growth, as we have an outbreak of malaria and dengue in our locality. Is this the right time to speak to you?
Oh, sure.
How can I address you?
You can call me Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Please come in and have a seat.
Thanks, Mary. Before I proceed any further, first, I'll educate you the importance of preventing mosquito growth. Then, I will explain how to avoid the mosquito bites. Following that, I will teach you how you can identify the signs and symptoms of malaria and dengue. And lastly, you can ask me any questions that you may have. How do you feel about what I am proposing?
Sounds fine for me.
Good. Let's start with education. Since we have an outbreak in this community, it is very important to prevent the mosquito growth, and thereby, we can wipe off the disease conditions. For that purpose, we need to keep our home and surroundings clean and tidy. Is that clear to you?
Definitely, nurse.
Now, I am going to explain you how we can avoid mosquito bites. Firstly, we need to dump out any standing water near your home, because mosquitoes can breed easily in minute water, for example, old flower pot, or in any dump pots. Secondly, use of mosquito or natural repellents, which also helps you to keep your family or friends safe and comfortable from mosquitoes.
Sure, nurse, I will.
Do you need any clarity in whatever I explained to you till now?
No, nurse, well explained so far.
Next, we can screen on your windows to keep mosquitoes from slipping, and thereby, we can avoid bites. Lastly, you can use fine mosquito nets to hang over your bed and save yourself from bites in this monsoon. Will you able to do these measures to keep your family safe, Miss Mary?
Of course, nurse, I can.
Excellent. Now, I am going to teach you about the signs and symptoms of malaria and dengue. Can I proceed?
Sure, nurse.
It is always beneficial to identify any disease condition in its early stage. When it comes to malaria and dengue, we can see two levels of symptoms: initial stage and second stage, which is more serious. In initial stage, the affected person will have headache, general tiredness, intense muscle pain, and lower back pain, followed by more serious symptoms, which include nausea, vomiting, chills, and diarrhea.
Oh, I didn't knew. These are serious conditions.
Indeed, they are. And, I believe, it will be very useful if you can identify these symptoms and seek for early treatment.
That's right, nurse.
Even if you come across these signs and symptoms for any of your friends or relatives, please report to the nearby medical officer or to us.
Sure, nurse, I will.
Being said that, do you have any more concerns?
No, nurse, you clarified all my doubts.
Thank you, Mary. Here is a booklet for you. I believe, if you know a little more about malaria and dengue and its preventive measures, you will be more confident.
Thank you, nurse. Thanks for the information.
It was my pleasure. Well, it was great meeting you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you guys learned how to do a beautiful roleplay discussion. Please continue to watch and support our contents. Press like and subscribe button to show your support. See you in our next video. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment. We are Speaking Eaters.